Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one pick is Tide Laundry Detergent Liquid. If you're looking for a detergent that effectively fights stains while leaving your laundry smelling fresh, Tide Original Scent is a solid choice that won't disappoint. The Tide Laundry Detergent Liquid in Original Scent offers unbeatable cleaning performance and fresh fragrance, making it a must-have for households of all sizes. Whether you have a high-efficiency washer or a traditional one, this detergent works well across the board. With its large bottle and ability to handle up to 100 loads, it's an excellent value for money. The 132 fluid ounce bottle offers an excellent value for money, providing up to 100 loads of laundry. The size makes it a convenient option for families or those who do laundry frequently, as you don't need to buy detergent as often. Additionally, the bottle is designed for easy pouring with a secure cap that helps prevent spills. While the product packaging may vary, the quality and effectiveness of the detergent remain consistent. This isn't a deal breaker for most customers, but it's worth noting if you prefer specific packaging. Tide Original Scent Liquid Laundry Detergent is known for its powerful stain-fighting formula. It tackles a wide range of stains, including dirt, grease, and food spills, with ease. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or stubborn stains from sports or outdoor activities, Tide delivers exceptional cleaning results every time. Our second best laundry detergent is All Liquid Laundry Detergent. For individuals with sensitive skin or those who are simply looking for a gentle yet effective laundry detergent, All Liquid Laundry Detergent, free clear for sensitive skin, is a standout product. With its hypoallergenic, unscented formula, this detergent provides a clean, safe wash for your clothes without causing irritation. The free clear for sensitive skin variant of All Liquid Laundry Detergent is specially designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. It's dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and free from dyes and fragrances, making it an excellent choice for those with eczema, allergies, or other skin sensitivities. This detergent delivers a thorough clean while ensuring that your skin stays protected from irritation or allergic reactions. For people sensitive to strong fragrances or those who simply prefer unscented products, this detergent is the perfect solution. The unscented formula ensures that clothes come out clean without any overpowering scents. It's ideal for those who like to use their own fabric softeners or prefer natural scents in their laundry. With 110 loads in each bottle, this detergent is an excellent choice for families or those with high laundry demands. The large size offers great value for money, and the bottle is designed with an easy pour spout to minimize spills. If you're looking for a safe, reliable detergent that works without harsh chemicals or fragrances, All Free Clear is highly recommended. Third in our list is Gain Plus Aroma Boost Laundry Detergent Liquid. If you're someone who loves fresh-smelling clothes that last, Gain Plus Aroma Boost Laundry Detergent Liquid is the perfect addition to your laundry routine. With its powerful cleaning abilities and long-lasting fragrance, this detergent brings together the best of both worlds, a deep clean and a delightful scent. One of the standout features of Gain Plus Aroma Boost is its original scent, which has been a favorite among users for years. This detergent infuses your laundry with a fresh, clean fragrance that lingers on clothes long after they are washed. With the added Aroma Boost technology, this detergent ensures that the scent is more intense and longer lasting, making it perfect for those who love a strong, refreshing smell on their clothes. The detergent is also infused with Febreze and Oxy boosters, enhancing the overall cleaning and odor-fighting power. The Febreze component neutralizes odors while leaving clothes smelling fresh, while the Oxy boost helps break down stains and grime, ensuring a cleaner and fresher wash. Despite its focus on fragrance, Gain Plus Aroma Boost doesn't compromise on cleaning power. It's effective at tackling everyday stains like food, dirt, and sweat, making it a great option for both light and heavy loads. The addition of Oxy Boost helps enhance stain removal, leaving clothes looking bright and clean after every wash. Number 4. In our Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Laundry Detergent. If you're looking for an affordable, effective, and fragrant laundry detergent, this one is worth considering. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Odor Blasters. Fresh Burst is an excellent choice for those who need a laundry detergent that can handle tough odors and stains while also providing long-lasting freshness. The combination of baking soda and OxiClean ensures that your clothes are not only clean, but also free from unwanted smells, making it a great option for active individuals or families with pets. With 128 loads per bottle, Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean provides excellent value for money. The large bottle size of 166.5 fluid ounces means you can go longer between repurchases, making it a cost-effective option for families or anyone who does a lot of laundry. The concentrated formula also means you only need to use a small amount per load, ensuring that the bottle lasts even longer. Beyond removing stains, the detergent also helps brighten and whiten your clothes. Over time, this can help maintain the vibrancy of colored fabrics and keep whites looking their best. For those who wear clothes regularly in outdoor or active settings, our 5th pick is Persil Intense Fresh Everyday Clean. If you're in search of a detergent that offers great value and dependable results, Persil Intense Fresh is certainly worth trying. The 2x concentrated formula means that only half the amount of detergent is needed compared to standard detergents. This provides great value for money, as the bottle lasts significantly longer. Even with heavy loads, just a small amount goes a long way in delivering powerful results. With 82.5 fluid ounces in a single bottle, you get an impressive 110 loads of laundry. This makes it a great investment, especially for families or those with large laundry loads. It ensures you won't need to repurchase detergent frequently, saving both time and money. One of the standout features of Persil Intense Fresh is its ability to tackle tough stains. The formula is designed to break down and remove a variety of stubborn stains, including grease, dirt, and food spills. Whether it's a tough red wine stain or a dirt mark on work clothes, this detergent consistently delivers impressive stain removal results, even on cold water settings. This detergent performs well on a wide range of fabrics, from delicate items like activewear to heavy-duty fabrics like towels and bed linens. It's particularly effective for high-efficiency HE washers, ensuring maximum cleaning power while being gentle on fabrics.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.